In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use a Binance referral code when creating a new account in 2026. I'll show you exactly where to enter the referral code so you don't miss it during the sign-up process. The referral code is shown on your screen now, so you can pause the video and enter it when needed. And if you want to create a Binance account, just click the sign-up link in the description below this video. Let's get started. First, click the Binance sign-up link in the description below this video. This will take you to the Binance registration page. Click on Sign Up to create a new Binance account. Here, enter your email address or phone number, depending on the sign-up option available to you. Then click Continue. Binance may ask you to verify your email address or phone number. Check your inbox or messages and enter the verification code provided by Binance. Once your contact information has been verified, continue to the next step. Now create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets Binance's current security requirements. If you see a question asking whether you were invited or referred by someone, select Yes. This should open the referral ID or referral code field. Now enter the referral code shown on your screen. That's it. The referral code is shown on your screen, and the sign-up link is in the description below this video. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel for more Binance and crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.